The iPhone 14 series is finally official and Samsung has done the unthinkable. As we know, Samsung is the one that made the displays for the iPhone 14 series, but they always make sure that their own phone has the best display, but this time, it's not the case. Samsung has given their best display to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, even better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yes, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the brightest OLED display on the planet on any phone with a whopping 2000 nits peak brightness. It's considerably more than the 1750 nits peak brightness of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung has never done this before, so this is quite surprising. Now what they have done again is roasting Apple with their new ads, once again targeting the non-Pro iPhone 14 series with their Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it's rightly done. While Apple has done some impressive stuff with the iPhone 14 Pro lineup, the non-Pro iPhone 14 series are literally the same phones as last year's iPhone 13 lineup, or as I like to call it, the robbery edition with 60Hz display, the same chip, pretty much the same design. At near $900, the Z Flip 4 eats them for breakfast. As impressive the Z Flip 4 is against the non-Pro iPhone 14 series, the Pro iPhones are equally impressive against the 7-month-old Galaxy S22 Ultra, as Apple outperforms Samsung in value with a shocking $100 cheaper price, costing $1,100 compared to the $1,200 price of the S22 Ultra. One of the most unique things that Apple has done is basically making the pill-shaped cutout a lot more functional than anyone has ever done. Sure, it's not as aesthetically pleasing, but Apple has made their biggest weakness into a very cheeky feature that I actually kinda like. The iPhone 14 Pro's pill can morph into different shapes and sizes for things such as incoming phone calls, Face ID authentication, timers, turn-by-turn navigation, and more. Apple has always done things differently despite being late to the party, which also includes Samsung. Now perhaps the biggest upgrade is coming with the camera as expected on the iPhone 14 Pro series. While it doesn't have the long-range zoom of the S22 Ultra, the main 48-megapixel sensor has even stronger low-light performance than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which still gives a pretty tough time to the S22 Ultra in low-light video performance. The new 4K cinematic HDR video mode is here, which makes the iPhone 14 Pro series the first devices that can do this. While Samsung, even though they introduced portrait video mode for quite some years, it's still limited to 1080p. The ultra-wide-angle lens and front camera sensors are also new for better low-light performance. Plus, Apple allows you to use the 48-megapixel resolution in Pro RAW mode, something that Samsung still hasn't introduced despite having the higher megapixel count for so many years. And let's not forget, the Apple A16 built on 4nm process is bringing even greater performance, and at this point, it is untouchable. Especially with S22 Ultra having a 7-month-old hardware, Apple A16 is looking even stronger than ever. And as expected, battery life is extended even further. We also have the long-awaited satellite connectivity finally coming to the iPhone 14 lineup in November, but it's going to be limited to USA and Canada only. A bit disappointing, but hopefully in the future we can see this expanding to more countries. So there we go, the iPhone 14 series is official. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. What do you think about the new dynamic island along with the new camera features, and how do you think it stacks up against the S22 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.